you want, which person fuel won't take one car? You don't say get one time all those is so they catch thief, then go say them burn on fire. Some before you know person don't bring tire, another person don't bring fuel. Which fuel? Now if they catch thief, then they advise them, say this is the way they do no good. Stop, then go catch you or you go. Fuel don't frustrate everybody. You know then before they use who wind up, no big man. But if you see the way G-Wagon, they wind down now. We don't level up. They wind down, say fuel. God damn, see price. Baba, hey, if you go anybody's house, for the single girls here, you go any boy house, he on fuel, make AC blow you. Make sure say you blow that guy. If your husband, they laugh, ask them why they laugh. This joke is for single people. God damn it. Oh boy, do you know that this is the most... See, hey God, I don't know when I get all those fake boys here. You know, this Abuja, now everybody go wear long gown and cap. We don't know who they sell suya, we don't know who get money. All them put 2 biro here. Stand for, they go the patrol for Transcorp. No room, no room key, then just the patrol. All those are our boys for Lagos. Maybe if they won't go hotel, a lot of them go carry their, they won't go club. 5 boys, they go drive their 5 cars. Now everybody don't humble. Baba, see where boys, they ask Goku, how far can a Lexus reserve tank take me? Another drum, Abi? Correct guy. Where you there, they talk, and then they hear you. Regular. The Lord will fight your battle. So I'm winning. You just be like saying, na coven you there, they hear your voice and then they see your face. I was once like you, God go do one for you, my brother. Amen. Free ticket, can loud voice. Yeah, I see you. Say, we did do one. Correct guy. You go shut up now. Ah, God. Poverty can show from far. Even from darkness, I just know saying a poor man, they talk to me.
I don't suffer, no be small.
Bro.
Upon say I get sense.
Hold on.
Poverty no.
Baba Fu Ekoso, I dey invite people for Lagos. If you're here and your girlfriend small, she won't come visit you. No buku bao, send dispatch rider to bring her. She go enter that small container, such day. It's life, everything just hard. You know, this is the most trying time ever in my life. You know, now you go enter house, make you just drink tea. Milo and milk don't finish at the same time. How then take the discourse about more finish. Before when we they grow up, Milo the day. Milk go first finish. They can't use and they put crayfish. Milo go still there. And I can't they drink tea with only Milo that time. They struggle. Now, two of them they finish once. You go say, okay, make you eat Gary. You check, Gary don't finish. You say, okay, make you leave food, watch TV. DSTV don't expire. And you know say cooking gas, they emotional. Any day when you they cook, you can't they hate the gas. Say this your gas don't last. Now that day they finish you. Oh God. If them boy you were, try boy beans. If you don't strand, you go just hold pot for that your neighbor doorway they talk to before, like who want to sacrifice? Can I just finish boiling this rice? Things are hard, bro. Nobody want to drive again. You see how this, all these chairs are our sponsors. Which table I go? Mama, I just use this table. For example, now I see these 3 guys. The guy on red, the one for center, and their driver. That guy they shout, I ain't take no. All right, a big man can laugh to joke. If na poor man, I'm gonna begin to buy one commodity here. Now why this boy they take on me? Everything they vex poor man, oh. So this one just laughs. Hey, it's funny. Let's just encourage him. Big boy. If these 3 guys now plan to come show, maybe the show they start by 6 o'clock because of fuel price. And now this one we are red. Now ain't get fuel. You know the other 2 go back by 3. Go wait for Impalo. Can't they follow children and watch cartoon where they no plan? And then you go see where children, they ask you rubbish question. Uncle, are you really my daddy's friend?
My brother, God can bless anybody.
Hola!
Make you no look down on anybody.
Hola there. You no look down. If I don't look like say you don't make a no be for sit down here, I go to play DJ. Poor people can console themselves.
Dependable.
If you like do praying and fasting, you don't get, you don't get. Shall be dependable God. These people are not God, not they dependable. Emotional blackmail. All right, these fine girls wait for this Abuja. Come, who introduce Sporty Bet? And who be the person who show us how to fund our account from our bank account? Bro, Sporty Bet, you know say when your eye go clear and when you go there they wait for the game, they go first show you cash out 15,000, you go say no, the game go enter. Before you know, game don't call, they'll come ask you what is cash out. And I be Port Harcourt boy, yo. I like all those Port Harcourt boys. The way then they try get, you know, say Port Harcourt boys they try get both for burial. See your boys they focus. Those so boy can this boy, this girl will fine and she they cry like this. If this girl smile, she go find pass like this. Focus, all these bet Naija boys like that guy who they shout from there. We go use 100 naira, they play to win 1 million. So your papa business go allow enter. Rubbish. Life na brain pain, no. You know, say now when you do DNA, they can't tell you say na positive. Truthfully, now you get the children, you go begin regret, say you don't spend money. Say, but I know say this begin resemble me. Why I can't go do it? Oh boy. If you can't resemble you, save your money, oh. My papa just disturb me, say, go and get married. Go and get married. You know, say most of the comedians, Koboko and Edo Pikin, they are married. And they're still they funny. He had to get family problems, still they funny for your craft. I bet want to help me clap for them, I bet. Yeah, most of the comedians you see on stage today, Action, Yanis, they are all married. Casino. If you see we are big men, but you know, say, no matter how big they children, they humble man, no. I go one of my chairman house the other day. If it's big man, wait and they fear. If you see the way they do to make pikin sleep. Big man hang polo for chest. They do boo baby, boo boo tutu, tutu boo boo, boo boo tutu. Baba didi. I say my yoga. Things are fucking hard, man. When I welcome this show, both the sponsors and people buy table. Oh man, God go bless her now. For supporting our crafts, because this country, for person to still they do legal thing, they take and they feed in family, and they support. I want to clap for myself, I beg. I know why, because I do my show for Lagos for March. One of my chairman, where we say once I print poster and I the first buy table. I go in house to tell her numbers I don't do, they do show. I mean I get man, they get. I they see them for back of GP tank, they say, I'm not around. These are hard, man. I leave you with this. I tell them about my guys that we don't marry. My mama, they disturb me. Go and get married. People, this your chairman, they will see you as more responsible when you're married. Me and the girl where I want marry, we can't go restaurants. You know, the restaurant light the day everywhere. She can't say she want eat swallow. No man, a Port Harcourt girl. They can't give us eba and soup. Light day. She can't demo the eba small, they swallow. I say, baby, eat well now. She say, no, I have small so far goes. My brother, they can't take lights. The girl can't rush, mode one big one, maybe like your head. And she won't swallow and then bring light. And she say, baby. I say, he say, honey, this one is for you. I say, swallow. Ladies and gentlemen.